CO2 Galvo laser machine installation tutorial. Place the laser source on a level surface. Remove the protective tape from the output aperture. Ensure the output aperture is facing forward. Place the laser source onto the lifting or alignment fixture, with the rear end protruding 2-3 cm beyond the table edge. Connect the power cables, black negative, to the left terminal. Red positive to the right terminal. Tighten the terminal screws securely. Align the groove on the signal connector with the alignment pin on the receptacle. Insert the connector and rotate it clockwise approximately 90 degrees to lock it in place. Gently slide the laser source forward until it contacts the dust seal ring. Lift the front end of the laser source approximately 1-2 mm. Align the mounting holes and install, but do not fully tighten the front bracket screws. Lift the rear end of the laser source approximately 1-2 mm. Align the mounting holes and install, but do not fully tighten the rear bracket screws. Verify the laser source is fully seated against the dust seal. Push the laser source firmly forward if needed, then fully tighten all mounting bracket screws. If a gap remains even with the laser source fully forward, you can rotate the dust seal ring counterclockwise to adjust it snugly against the laser. Align and install the left and right side panels into their slots. Align and install the two side top covers into their slots. Align and insert the top cover plate into its slot. Install and tighten the 4 front M4 screws. Position the rear cover. Install, but do not fully tighten the 6 M4 screws. Finally, fully tighten all front and rear cover screws. Install the plastic cover, align the holes, and secure it with its screws. Reapply electrical tape as needed. The laser source installation is complete. Thank you.